Hi, and welcome back to my channel. So, I am in Miami. I made it safely. Thank you, God. We're doing like a mug bug type thing. Like, this is my sister Nicole. She lives here in Miami. And she surprised me with food, a seafood bag, and some real bag, and we're gonna hang out and we're gonna watch. I'll let y'all guess what we watching if y'all can hear it for tonight. But tomorrow is free app, and I'm excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Tomorrow's free app, and I'm so happy to meet Dr. William. I'm so excited to meet Dr. William. I'm just like excited to meet Dr. William. I'm in a hotel right now. I will tell y'all in the bottom below, the comments below, where I am at. But I've seen like 2 dolls already. And I am like under the impression this is where the dolls stay just because it's 7 minutes away from the actual 305 plastic surgeries. But I'm only here for one day. I came in early because, I will be going to VIP Vixen tomorrow. I'll be checking into the recovery house tomorrow. So I'm here only for one day. But I've seen some dolls. And hey, girls, I see y'all. Y'all look good. I mean, they walk into the gas station, and you know the dolls when you see them. They got their fobs and their surgery thing going on. Big ups to y'all. So I will share where I'm at. The hotel, I will give y'all another YouTube video about how the hotel is. But so far, I'm pleased with it. We got a whole refrigerator, stove. It's big. She said show y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all. Let's not make it separately. Let's just show y'all. So this is like the kitchenette. It's kind of dark. We just came in from walking. We went on a walk. Got the refrigerator, sink, microwave, double beds, little layout chair, TV, mirror, and bathroom. Y'all look at me the day before pre-op. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm hanging out with my sister. I'm drinking. I'm eating. I'm feeling good. I'm in Miami. I'm in Miami, bitch. So yeah, we're gonna watch this episode, and we're gonna do a little slight mug bug for y'all. Make things interesting. Keep it, Miami-ish. Girl, eat, smack, crack, break shells, whatever. We're all friends here. See if y'all can guess what we're watching. So tell me what you think. What's this we eating? Crafty crab? Crafty crab. What you think of it so far since you've been smacking away?
It's pretty good. Crafty crab is always good.
That's good. Crab is good. It's flavorful. Good. Excuse me if I'm watching. You know that voice. I know that voice. Who are we watching? Excuse me. Who we watching?
Look at those. Ooh. That's cute.
I feel like B-Love. B-Lovely. Shout out to B-Love. Yeah. She didn't get extra sauce. No, we said we're going to do the generic ghetto version. If y'all forgot y'all extra sauce, y'all gonna eat it or not. We eating this shit. And it's still good. She been watching it. I'm catching it in, tuning in just now. I don't know what's going on, but
I'm gonna talk to Max for my opinion about the house.
I want this to be a bad girl club so bad.
So bad.
She a porn star. Basically, this is all about girls who I think have Instagram fame and shit like that, or following and hustling, strippers, trying to make it, and they all trying to perform at Johnson Cabaret. It's gonna be this big performance in Vegas. They gonna get $10,000 whoever wins. Direct, I guess it's a competition to perform in the cabaret and win $10,000.
So she's a porn star.
She's a porn star. She's a, I don't know, big legs. She's a stripper.
Do y'all know where Big Lex is from? What show?
Big legs with the gap. All this sauce at the bottom.
Yeah, get you one. Oh, I see it. I see it. She ain't got time to be having. You can tell she ain't got time to be arguing with nobody of no petty ass shit. I hear you.
No, she's from Indiana.
She from somewhere from the hood. The motherfuckers in the hood ain't got time to argue about no petty shit. We see petty shit every day. You got a boyfriend? No crab in this lid. I'm with that. Handle your relationship the same way the person you in a relationship with handles you. You give what is given. I disagree. You can give people second chances. People make mistakes. People make mistakes. We're human. I ain't saying being a dumbass though. Back to back. You know? I'm going with it. Whose house is that?
That's how they're standing. I guess that's Jocelyn's house for the show.
Oh, that's what she got him at. Saying that. This is the same thing Blueface was doing, right? He got a bad girl's house too.
It's on TV.
Instagram. Instagram. It might be on something else. I don't know. I just see it on Instagram. He get a house and he make them all live together in bunk beds in one house. Twin size beds in one house. I don't see this back girl's house. The girl lost the front tooth and everything. He do this too. I only see it when they pop up on the shade room. What did she do? What they nosy ass? What she do? What kind of certain things?
Right, you can't just say that and then not tell us.
Yes, you can. I just told y'all I don't tell people. What's too big?
That's sometimes that.
What is?
Maybe her husband.
If she got butt shots or something? I'm listening. Let me see the ass. You want to see the ass too, huh? You don't always talk about this ass. Let me see it. Which way? Because she went somewhere she wasn't supposed to go. See, out the country.
Sapphire has always been super strong, and to see her have this small moment of weakness, it really kind of breaks my heart.
She just got a rap.
I love you so much. You know, I love you. You're beautiful. I started.
That's right, girl. Y'all encourage her.
And there was a point in time where if you didn't look a certain type of way, a club would not accept you. We're going into Jocelyn's cabaret. Jocelyn likes to I definitely thought about getting them. You know, I worked in a club with a lot of girls that had
this strip club and plus another one every 5 minutes.
As a skinny girl, I'm too small to get that transfer. You made me so much of me, and I just don't want you to make past life mistakes that I did. And then you turn around and you in your 30s and something.
So she's saying, like, she too small to get transferred. So she finna get some shots. Them shots ain't no joke.
I was really thankful that Sapphire gave me that message that I really needed, because honestly, if I win that $10,000, I probably would have got a little work done, and that's just me being real. But I never had nobody tell me that something bad could come out of it.
Girl,
Thank you for giving me that side.
something bad.
This is the first time that I had a person. Dead ass, this is the first time I ever. And you spread that word to other girls. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not that serious, and you do get older, and you will get a spread. You know what I'm saying? So I try my best to let girls know.
Well, as you get older, it messes with your body.
You never know what
Them
happens
shots.
and you want to be healthy and live a healthy life. So I just want to
Health as well.
I want to be my best. Like, I want to slam my face, everything for this cabaret. I think you're gonna be fine. You really got your head in the game with the cabaret, so I don't think they're slowing you down. I think it was just a mental thing. But physically, girl, you keeping up with us. Like, you doing the damn thing.
She must be old.
Just keep doing the damn thing.
She was on the last season.
Like, real shit. Like,
Sorry, baby, if you're watching this. I ain't mean to say that. You must be older. Older.
Mature.
Mature. You've been around the block.
I know they got my back. So now all I can do is suck it up and do something about it. I'm really glad that you got that up.
That's right. You remember that one boy, what's his name? Remember that funny dude who started off wearing the wig and funny on Instagram? He was that right somewhere. I got Instagram. He was like, I just gotta suck it up.
This fiction makeup, because we don't have a lot of time, so I gotta go shower. I still
She
got
can't
clothes on.
I gotta watch the first episode. It was like, girl, they look at she. I was like, why is my hair? Wow. She's like, I'm a hoe, but Jocelyn, that's my bitch. And she asked me to be out there.
Yeah, that's my good.
Okay, well,
She got on that lace wig braid. I didn't have to zoom in on her like that. Or on that dirty carpet like that. It's late though. Come on, shirt.
damn.
That was bound to happen.
to do a meet and greet for Jocelyn, which would help us, you know, get the show out there more, and people can connect more with Jocelyn. Welcome her back to Atlanta. Do anybody need weed or anybody good?
Anybody need weed?
She from Atlanta, so she's like, I know everybody.
She said, "Do y'all need weed?" My type of bitch.
We're ready for the meet and greet. So it was a good vibe at that time.
I'm eggs up.
I mean, it's like lights, cameras, every fucking word. Paparazzi.
Every fucking where. That little BO spot every fucking where.
This is something I definitely could get used to. I'm loving it.
The egg is the best part. If you don't eat egg with your crab boil,
The only thing about
I don't know what you're doing.
like so many cameras and like it's like cock out it. But other than that, I feel like I got some good pictures. And
The money sound like you, huh?
don't post that shit.
You want me to take? You want to take my picture? You want to know about? Girl, go sit down. Right, cool.
I want some money. That's the biggest thing you need to know about me.
She had every time. She was like somebody old ass. She was stripper in Atlanta.
Some of the photographers knew who I was already. So these are real fans. I'm
Just
a
walk
queen.
in.
Period.
What you check down? They know you. They know me.
First of all, it's like 30, 40 paparazzi out here.
30, 40. Everybody think they there to see them individually. They here to see me? Jocelyn, no, she hired them.
The girl, you gotta see that episode. She got Tiffany from Mimi X. I mean, well,
Hey guys, I'm your host, Joyce Raquel. Checking in with Shoe Magazine. I'm here with Jocelyn Hernandez. Of course, season 2 of Jocelyn Cabaret. Well, I want to first say thank you to my fans. I love you.
Jocelyn got fans?
I love you for holding me down for the past
Jocelyn definitely got fans.
and feel like pleasure.
A lot of women in the world like Jocelyn. It's crazy as fuck.
especially in Puerto Rico, you know, she came from the gutter.
The ghetto. You gotta respect it. She ain't doing nothing but hustle. Shit.
I mean, a lot of people understand that
I
lifestyle.
ain't knocking you.
You come from Puerto Rico and Miami and you living in these streets and you make it even to where Jocelyn at. Even though a lot of people might downplay where she at, to her, it's a lot of people that's far.
Mm-hmm.
She is far. She did make it somewhere.
We know her name. We watching her, ain't we? Great job to you, Jocelyn.
Kudos to you, Jocelyn. I respect a bad bitch. You know, Jocelyn definitely a bad bitch. She came in, love hip hop, a bad bitch. You know, you can't speak English that good. We don't be understanding your ass. Look, her. Remember her? She like, I'm hire paparazzi and everything. Jocelyn like, okay, cool. That was last episode. So they definitely knew paparazzi was gonna be. Just gonna turn her.
North? It's 9 o'clock. I need to stop eating and get dressed. I'm gonna take a shower and do my makeup. I'm gonna give me a lash. What I'm talking.
I'm walking up in there with ballistic. Everybody was so excited to see me. I mean, they was screaming, why do we do this? Jocelyn is back. I'm like, yeah. I'm looking good. Got on my gold dress, I have on the black gold, my makeup done, my hair.
All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take me a shower, get myself together, and I will make another one before I leave here for y'all. Bye.